Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Have a good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Maria Evelyn T. Stabilio.
Lakasan mo.
I am 46 years old. I was born in June 2nd, 1964. And
Do you have kids?
I have four children, 3 boys and 1 girl. And we live in Barangay Dolores, Tarlac City. And in the meantime, I'm living in Angono, Rizal, in Manila.
Please tell us about your work experience.
I was been working in Hong Kong 4 years. I took care of a twin baby, except the elder of my, including the elder of my employer, and she is 4 years old when I start to take care of them. And the twin baby, they are a newborn baby.
Okay, how many years?
I'm working with them within 4 years.
4 years, okay.
And I'm working also as a all the household working as a domestic helper.
Okay, how many person you serve?
I serve for how many person is they are all 5 person in the house.
A couple, the twins,
Couple,
and then
the twin and the elder daughter of my employer.
elder daughter. Okay. What will you do if your employer asks you not to take day off for a week or even for a month because they have important things to attend? Is it okay for you?
If my employer asks me to not to take a day off for a month, I will say that it's okay for me because this is a favor for me, especially not to spend money, and at least I can save the money to send to my family, especially to my kids.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care of baby, ma'am.
Can you please tell us how can you take care of a newborn?
First of all, when I was take care of baby, a newborn baby, I have to hold her very gentle, slowly and smooth. Everything all I do is I have to sit beside her or him, and then to change her slowly, to change her clothes, to change his diaper, and to do everything. And for example, you have to wash her bum. You have to use a soft with water. Especially you have to use a cotton. You have to put first the water, and then press slowly in her bum to not to hurt the baby.
Okay.
And to give her bath, you have to take her very well, especially her head.
How about naughty little children? Do you have patience taking care of them?
I have patience to take. I have patience to take care of the children, especially if they are fighting. What I am doing before with my previous kids, my employer, I am going with them to stop them. I have to hug them, both of them, and I'm talking with them very gentle and with manners, and talk very well and slowly and very politely to them, so they will listen to you.
Okay. Can you sing a simple song for the children?
Yes, Mom, I can sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay.
Up above you look so high, like a diamond in the star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Do you know how to cook? What kind of food can
I
you
know,
cook?
yes, Mom, I know how to cook. I can cook Filipino food especially. And I can cook also a little bit of Chinese food. And I can learn some more cooking of Chinese food.
Okay,
Chinese
but you
food.
stay in Hong Kong for 4 years, so I think you know the Chinese dishes. How can you know how to prepare it, right?
I know, ma'am, but not specific. I always cooking before. Just sometimes it's because I have taken care the twin babies, so sometimes I don't have time to cook, and my madam she's the one who cooking, and then
Okay.
sometimes she's teaching me to cook. But
Okay.
I'm willing to learn everything cooking in Hong Kong.
You can speak and understand Cantonese, right?
I can speak a little bit, not all, but I can understand Cantonese.
Okay. Do you know what this domestic helper means?
Domestic helper means is to do all the household works in the house,
Mm-hmm.
especially to cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking, and ironing,
Mm-hmm.
and most especially to take care of the kids.
Okay. Is it possible there's an old man or old women maybe sick or bedridden living with your employer? Are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, I do, ma'am, because I have also experience to take care of the old man.
Okay.
4 years experience I have.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I would like to work again in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a very good country, and the employer there is not same as the other country that they are very strict. There in Hong Kong, they are very kind and good to the employee, and they are very politely. If they are talking to the employee, their employee, they are. If you got a mistake for them, they are talking to you very politely and gentle.
Yes.
So
They are very nice.
they are very nice people in Hong Kong.
Yes. Would you like to say anything else? Your prospective employer.
So if my future employer, she will select me, or she will employ me, I promise that I will always obey with them. What is their role and regulation, I have to obey, and I follow everything what they want to do from what they want me to do and their family. I always promise that I always honest and loyal and obedient to all of them. I will do everything to do all my best. So my
Okay.
employer, she will be happy
Mhm.
with my performance.
Okay. Can you promise to your prospective employer that you'll finish your 2 years contract without doing any trouble?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.